first of all, I say thanks to Dilda sir and Nazir sir. So, my experience is about that Laptex is very amazing journey. So, first of all, I have learned for multiple institute. So, they are say everything, but I'm not understand because it is not clear. So, full of confusion. Everybody says equally, but I feel it is not touch with my expectation. So I discussed with the Dilda sir. So this is my issue because I spent for more money. Till now, I am stay in same position. So then Dilda sir says, okay, I give for some classes. You see, unfortunately, that all the classes are Hindi. So I am waiting for around 3 to 4 months, I think. So luckily, the new English batch will start. So I am waiting. The Hindi video, I am think, okay, it will reach my goal and expectation. My knowledge will improve. Then English class will come. So really, he will give for amazing picture that V section. So inch by inch, step by step, component by component, he will explain. He not hitting for, he not manipulating for anything. Whatever exact traveling, that exact traveling, he will explain. I am really happy. Some things are I am not understand because my knowledge is lagging. But everything he explained na. So now some doubt will come means I am go to recall that video means that component will available. It is just like dictionary, I feel. Because that time I am listen means I'm not able to understand because I'm not facing for that much depth. So whenever doubt will come means I recall that video. That time really it is helpful for me. So this is for Dildar side, sir side, and Nazir sir side. He is ocean. Just like
exactly. Just a river connecting the ocean.
Yeah, because the schematics very huge area. So everything he will explain means definitely we not understand. So he split that exact what we need, that component. So he prepare and he give the slideshow, and his teaching is each and every moment he will give the load, just like module by module. First of all, what is the signal? Basic level. So inch by inch, inch by inch, inch by inch. So we are familiar to that word. First of all, I feel this is not just like training course. I am feel around 2 years we are learning for engineering class. I feel
crash course engineering.
yeah. Crash course engineering. First lockdown before we start, second lockdown.
I remember exactly the date, 24th April 2020.
Yeah.
We started the class.
So it is good time.
And it's exactly 26th November. So I think we have been around 1.5 years approx. Yeah.
So in between, we are also go to our Corona ward and come back. I am go to Corona ward and listen the class and come back. So that is my lifetime. It is very useful for the Corona period, and so much times are available. We learn, and my small concern is practical session. So theoretical we know. So we listen RTC section, how many parts? Yes, 6 parts. Where we go to, and what is the next level? And RAM section, S5, S4. What is the requirement? It is available. So everything you are explained, but practical I am alone. So that is the issue. So step by step, we need to. We have some knowledges, but compare with your style, your flavor. I need to reach. This is my thing. So coming classes or coming practical session, definitely we reach that section also, I believe. So very heartful thanks for your both, and God give full what we say blessings for your family and your career. Thank you.
Thank you.
So you can introduce your name also. Yeah, you didn't mention your name so that everyone knows.
My name is Jose Philip. Previously, I'm in Chennai, India. Now I am in my native place. I'm starting newly. Its place is Salem.
So you have started your own work here after the
Yeah, yeah,
courses.
yeah, yeah. One place.
Yeah, good one.
Thank you.